From the moment we learned to shape fire and metal, humans have been building systems bigger than ourselves. Tools became machines, machines became networks, and every leap forward created something new to protect. We learned to move information. Ink on paper became electric signals racing across continents. The first ciphers, the first codebreakers, and the quiet realization that whoever controls information controls power. Then computers arrived. Entire rooms of humming hardware, slowly shrinking into something that could fit on a desk, then into our pockets. When the internet connected it all, the world gained a digital nervous system. Suddenly, distance almost stopped mattering, but connection came with a cost. In 1988, a single experiment, the Morris worm, accidentally crippled around 10% of the early internet and gave the world its first real taste of cyber chaos. What began as curiosity evolved into intent. State campaigns, industrial sabotage, power grids, and nuclear systems touched by invisible hands. In 2017, WannaCry ransomware raced across the globe, freezing hospitals, factories, and businesses in more than 150 countries in a matter of hours. Code was no longer just code. It was impact on patients, on cities, on entire economies. While attackers evolved, so did we. We pushed everything into the cloud, connected billions of devices, turned offices into hybrid, always-on, borderless environments. The perimeter dissolved. Data began flowing from satellites to smartphones to sensors on factory floors. Our attack surface exploded. But our defenses did not always keep up. Now we stand in another turning point, the age of artificial intelligence. AI helps us write code, find patterns, ship ideas in days instead of months. But the same power is now in the hands of attackers. AI models that can generate malware that constantly changes its shape. Deepfakes that can steal a voice, clone a face, and convince an employee to move millions with a single call. Phishing sites designed by AI in seconds. AI-assisted ransomware that never sleeps. The tools that accelerate innovation are now supercharging attacks. The result is a gap. A gap between how fast we can build and how fast we can secure what we build. Boards are asking new questions. Regulators are tightening rules. Customers are demanding trust, not just features. In a world where systems begin to think for themselves, the real question becomes, who is thinking about their security? So pause for a moment. If you could design the ideal cybersecurity partner for this era, what would it look like? Would it just react to alerts, or quietly anticipate the next breach before it happens? Would it only sell tools, or stand beside you when those tools are tested in the real world? Would it speak in jargon, or translate risk into decisions that boards, regulators, and engineers can all act on together? A company that understands AI, cloud, identity, and data not as separate silos, but as one living system that must be defended end to end. That is the question in front of us. ZENTARA is our answer to that question. A cybersecurity and managed security partner built to secure the next decade of technology, not the last. And today, we are gathered here to understand, shape, and be part of this new era of technology and cybersecurity together. This is ZENTARA, a world where modern technology is powered and protected by design.
Welcome to the stage, ZENTARA co-founder and CEO, Regal Star.